Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name's Amy if you're new here, and today we're going on a thrifting challenge adventure. I asked my AI friend on Snapchat, has anyone else seen that they've got AI on Snapchat now? Well, I messaged my AI man and told him that I was going to do a challenge where I'm going to be putting together thrifted outfits, and could he give me some occasions to put them together for, and he has done so. Some of them include a date night, a beach day, a winter holiday. He's given me lots of ideas. I say he, it may not be a he. Well, a Bitmoji looks a bit like a he. Anyway, I'm gonna go find these outfits and hopefully give you guys some outfit inspiration for different occasions. I thought I was gonna ask on Instagram, but I thought, you know what, let's cut out the middleman and just ask for some categories, because I thought that'd be easier, and I want to go shopping now. I'm gonna go to Basildon, which, as you guys know, is one of my favourite places to thrift. Of course, I am still gonna look out stuff for me. I'm looking for cargos, white trainers, black trainers. A lot of stuff is ticked off my list now. I'm also looking for a white cardigan, an outfit for the baby shower, and also baby bits for my future nibbling. Gonna be neutral in case Dad ever hears someone watch this. I doubt he will, but let's go and put together some thrifty outfits in the charity shops. So first stop is Scope. This has been redone. I haven't been in it, so it's redone because I haven't been to these shops before holiday, maybe even before Glastonbury, so long time. Oh, it looks really nice. Oh, I love it. Loads of Ray-Bans in the window, so they could definitely go for one of the categories. These are also really similar to the new Birkenstocks that everyone loves. I'm not sure if I'm keen on them, but some Vans. Okay, let's go in. I don't think I've got any category, but Mario and Luigi Vans, I kind of love them. Okay, so in this shop I'm going to try and do night out with the girls and date night theme. I'm going to start with night out with the girls. I think this is the top. So it's very, very cute. Let's find some bottoms that'll go with this. This is the outfit I put together for a girls' night out. That's a cute little crop top, and this little denim skirt, and then these little yellow shoes for a little pastel moment. I think this is really cute. I'd wear this outfit. I was on the challenge for a sec. Well, I probably could find an occasion for this in my suggestions, but oh my gosh, this is the cutest little jumpsuit. I don't think it would sit right on me, but it's really cute. It's size 14. It's new with tags, Topshop, and it's £10.50. It's a good little find. It reminds me of the dress Penny knitted, sewed. I don't know, really cute. I'm kind of heartbroken they've got a sparkly bum bag, because it's exactly the sort of thing I wanted for Glastonbury. Let's see how much it is. It is £6.50. I would have paid that for had a really cool Glastonbury bag, but alas. This dress for the first date outfit. I'm going to try it on actually because it is in my size. I think this is really cute. I'm imagining some cute sandals with this, which I'll find afterwards. I'm not gonna lie, I imagine this would look a lot better on me than it does. The colour doesn't pop the tan off, which I thought it would. And it's not as flattering as my other kind of bodycon maxi dresses. But it's still cute, and this will still be a good first date outfit. If I could walk in them, I'd pair that dress up with that pair of shoes. They're super cute. Not sure which bag. I kind of love this clear one. Have it like a little pouch or something to go inside it. I think that would go quite well. Okay, here is my beach day look. £4 bikini, swimming costume, sorry, from British Heart. And then some £4 little shorts. I think that tucked into that would be really, really cute. A little beach bag, some little sandals. Let's go find some sandals. These shoes are really cute. Be a little play on colours. Or you could go even more of a play on colour and go for a yellow sandal. Really cute. I feel like you could find a way to dress this dress down, and this would be super cool for a music festival. Maybe with some cute boots. That sparkly bum bag from the other shop. So cute. The sequins are kind of a bit holographic-y. I think that's super duper fun. Again, this isn't for anything in particular. This for a first date outfit would be really sassy, and I kind of love that, but this is so cute. It's only a £5 in British Heart. Tempted to try this one on. Here is the 90. I thought this could work for a first night outfit if you're going like to a bar or something. Chuck on some heels with this, and it's really cute. I don't think I'm going to get it because I don't know, I just don't think I wear these sort of nighty dresses enough. Although I do think if I had this sort of thing for a holiday, I would have definitely taken it. But it's really cute. But I'm going to be good and put it back. But I don't know if I'm going to regret it, because I do think it's really cute. But I'm just not sure I'm brave enough to wear this out on the regular, so I'm going to put it back. Also, just tried on this. It's really cute, but the blue bits are too small. And although it does look really nice, I think I'm going to leave it because I don't need any more underwear. But I mean, that underneath the first date outfit, wow. You got me thinking that first date is going well if you're wearing that underneath, but super cute. So cute trainers in the window for 30 quid. So I'm going to leave them. Let's go in and see what we can find. I feel like job interviewers ones. Let's see if we can do that in here. Okay, so here is my job interview outfit. I'm thinking this blouse obviously would wear like a little cami underneath it or sew on some extra buttons with this cute flared pair of trousers and some nice heels. And then from another beach day outfit, this is so cute, only £3, little cute cosy. But I thought this would double up really well as a top, like with a cute skirt. So I think that's really cute. Another little beach outfit. Okay, so in the Haven shop, just found this hat. This would be amazing for a festival. I'm going to plan my festival look around this because this is so fun and I love this. Thinking something silver and sparkly. To be fair, that dress I found in the other shop could work, but I think it must have made a noise at one point because it's got a battery pack inside, but so fun. Okay, this for a festival would be such a vibe with some silk cowboy boots. Like, that would be so cute. Not sure if it's like blue to go with me. The gorgeous hat over there, but I think this is definitely a cute festival look. £3, like Y2K style. Love this a lot. Tempted by this, but I'm not gonna get it. I'm gonna be good, but I do think it's cute. Love these boots. These would be super cute. Like a dress to grunge it up. In fact, that sparkly dress, these would be really cute. £3 again, Havens. Okay, there were some super cute pieces in there. As always, I had some maternity jeans. I was thinking about getting for my sister, but I'm not sure if she's wearing size 8 jeans now rather than size 6. I might text her and then on the way back go and get them if she wants them. But next is Mind, and they've got a cute Pride display. Let's look at the Pride display. Basildon Pride is quite late. I might be completely wrong, but there's a nice window. That dress is stunning. That could be a cute festival look with again some fun boots and a jazzy bag. Oh, some nice sunnies in the window as well. Let's go in. Love these cargos, but they're going to be too small. Let's see how much they are. £8. It's not bad at all. I found a dress for baby girl, but oh, I love these. It's really sweet. I'm thinking like Hindu vibes. That would be so cute. Like a little white satin skirt, or I don't know what else. Cute little white bottoms. Really, really cute. It's a great festival number in Mind. 6. Oh, does it say £40? No, surely not. I think it's £10. Yeah, that makes sense. It's £16. Super cute. I love this dress. Would have loved it a lot more if it was a play suit. I love a no tan line situation on holidays. This would be great for the beach day look. But as I said, I would want it to be a play suit, and it's a dress. So I did speak when I was recording this clip, but the music's really loud and I don't want to get copyrighted. But basically I'm saying I absolutely love this dress. I'm loving the ruffles. I'm seeing them quite a lot at the moment. But they've not really filtered down to charity shops yet, but I'm seeing them in lots of like trend predictions. I imagine this in red would be stunning, and like the dancing girl emoji. I like this black strappy dress, such a classic. And yep, I think that's basically the gist of what I was saying. But I do love that snake print dress. So went back and got the jeans for my sister. They're in Havens and they're marked up as £2, and then obviously my staff discount £1.60 for a pair of maternity jeans. She'll be right happy with them. She got her baby shower in a couple of weeks, so I'll give it to her then. Just picked up a little outfit for baby, which I'll show you when I get home. But I'm going to carry on looking around mine now because I kind of ran when she said she wanted the jeans because I didn't want them to sell. Well, they're quite a niche thing, size 6 maternity jeans, but alas, right, let's carry on in Mind. I love this beach coat. It's £6.50, but it's really sweet. It's a maxi one, but I don't think I need it, but I do love it. Kind of wish I found this before I went on holiday because it's stunning. I mean, if these aren't festival, I don't know what are. £4 for some cute little sparkly hot pants. I can't imagine how itchy these are. Another rogue thing, but this is the most beautiful toaster I've ever seen. Now really want a yellow toaster. Got some cute pieces and a Bluetooth ice bucket. I don't know why you'd need that, but that's fun. These little pots are really cute, like sauces and olives and stuff. There is also a dinosaur, which I do enjoy. The other topic we've got is like winter vacation. I'm going to count that as like you're going away somewhere sunny to avoid the winter, because that's what I'd do. And this skirt is definitely the start of a very cute outfit. Skirt with this little knitted cami would be such a vibe. I mean, Cat's research and everything's £5 or less. Used to be £3 or less. Am I bitter? Yes, I am. Let's see how much this is. This one's only £3 and the skirt was only £3 too, so that'd be a £6 super cute outfit. This would also be a really cute little summer vacation dress. It is in a size XL, but I'd say that looks like a 26. It's quite short though, only issue, but it's really cute. What's this? This is super cute. Oh my gosh, this is my size. I like this. It feels like Shein. Oh, new look, but petite. It does look really short, but that is really sweet for Valentine's Day, date night. That's really cute. And what about shoes? I'm trying to find some shoes that will go with that cute first holiday look we just put together. I'm not sure there's any shoes in here that I would love with it. To be honest, you could just go basic or leopard print, snake print. You guys know what I mean. Oh, a bit of Daymark spot. Love a bit of Daymark. Gosh, I got the best quilted blanket from in here once. I ended up selling it on Facebook Marketplace, but it was huge and spanned like the whole bed. I just sold it to my friend in the end, but so cute, and I got that in here. I feel like we've basically done all our categories. We're going to carry on looking up for some baby stuff and things like that, and have a mooch for myself because this is the last charity shop. I've been good. I don't think I've bought anything for myself yet, just for others. Let's look at the last couple bits. I really like this print. I think that's really cute. I was thinking about getting it for my dad, but I'm not sure he'll like the colour scheme on it, but I think it is really cute. I'm going to put it back. Also, his birthday and Father's Day is gone now, so I would have to keep it for a while. I am looking for a little a tissue box to put for one of the games I'm going to do at the baby shower, but I don't think it's got any. This is really cute. I really like this mug. And it's bloody huge. That is ginormous. Like, it's not the same size as my hand. Well, slightly smaller, but you guys know what I mean. Oh my gosh, my brain is frazzled. That's a cute little set of candles in. It is like so cute, but completely the wrong time of year. Because it's a winter/autumn baby. But oh my gosh, there's some really cute pieces in here. Look at that. Oh. This skirt would be great for some winter sun. I love it. Size 22. Absolutely stunning. Like a little, even just like a little cami. Really like that. I am back from the shops. I got back a while ago, but I don't think I filmed a clip since. But I thought, apologies for how chaotic this video was. In my head, it was really organised, but the shop was actually quite busy and it was raining. And I saw people I knew in there, and I didn't want to then like whip the camera out and start filming loads. But as promised, I will show you the dress I bought for baby girl. It is so bloody cute. It's £3.50. It was from Mind. It was originally Mother Care. It's still got the tags on. Look at this little dress. So this is for 9 to 12 months. So when the baby is about 1, which would be perfect timing because the baby's gonna be an October baby. So I thought this will probably look really good for that age. Is it practical? No, probably not, but it's so cute. I need to find a black and white gingham dress so I can twin with the child because it's so cute with the little embroidered flowers on. I just thought that was stunning and I love it so much. I've already shown her this, so it's okay to show you. I just FaceTimed her and we did like a little check of what she's got and what I've got, and like so she doesn't end up buying like loads of doubles. But so cute. I can't wait. Anyway, this video wasn't meant to be about baby, but of course it is because everything in my life is. But that's it for today's video. I hope you got some inspiration for any future events, holidays, things you've got. Thank you to my AI on Snapchat. You're great. You've solved many of my problems. So thank you to the robot living in my phone. I am nervous when you take over, but for now you're really practical. So thank you AI for contributing greatly to this video and giving me my topics to find in the shops. I'm going to end this one here before I ramble anymore. Subscribe if you're not already. Comment what your favourite outfit was, piece was that I shown in the video. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye!